Alright, today I'm going to be bringing you a video of how to clay bar your car. I've had a bunch of people asking me about this, what I use, how I do it, so let's get into it. See, the surface I just wiped there to the right is already nice and smooth. I've already done majority of the vehicle up to that. This is the last little section of the trunk I have to do. This section there to the left is very coarse, almost like a fine grit sandpaper. It's just years of road debris and contaminants, a lot of spray paint overspray from being in the shop and around the shop where I was working. So let's get into it. I am using an old clay bar kit. You see me kneading it here because I've done most of the vehicle. It's very bad and contaminated, so I'll get it back to a shape like that that I can work with. Now I keep the clay bar itself wet. I also use a microfiber little towel or sponge that I use for washing the car to keep the surface I'm working on wet. As you can see, there's a little bit of suds there in what I wiped it with because I ran out of the quick detailer spray bottle because I've done several vehicles with this kit. So I'm just using a mixture of a little bit of my 2-in-1 car soap with the water, and that's all I'm using to keep my surface wet and lubricated while I do this. Now, they recommend not going in a circular pattern like you see me doing here. This is a more fluent motion for me. It's a little more comfortable, so it seems to be faster for me. I'm not too concerned about this vehicle. I just wanted to get the bad contaminants off there. You can see me going faster. I sped it up for you guys. So going a straight back-to-back motion, I don't notice any marring or swirling or anything, even on this black car, from going in a circular motion like that. It is a lot of work. You see me getting very tired there. I'm just about done with the whole vehicle. It's pretty much taken me all day. I highly recommend doing this on your windows. You won't need to use Rain-X then because it leaves somewhat of a wax coating. I highly recommend doing it on your headlights, taillights, and all your chrome trim as well.